Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2900 1.6 CDTI-BT, 125, S, SL2H1 Easy Fix Bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 58,558. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Error codes for MAF sensor. The sensor was replaced but didn't make any difference, so garage unsure could be wiring issue. Engine, clutch, turbo and gearbox are fine. Some kind of sensor issue, still starts and drives fine. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Traction control light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,850 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative